Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make savvy purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that are vying for the top spot in the market. On the left, we have the Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K dash cam, and on the right, the BOOGIIO dash cam front. It's time to buckle up and dive into this comparison. Let's start with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The Vantrue N4 boasts a 3-channel setup, offering 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p resolution. That's like having your own personal paparazzi, capturing every detail inside and outside your vehicle. It's perfect for rideshare drivers who need to keep an eye on their passengers. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams. The Vantrue N4 comes equipped with infrared night vision, ensuring clear footage even in complete darkness. Say goodbye to those grainy, hard-to-make-out images. It's like having night vision goggles for your car. Let's move on to the extra bells and whistles that these dash cams bring to the table. The Vantrue N4 offers 24-hour parking mode, which ensures continuous recording even when your car is parked. It's like having a vigilant security guard for your vehicle, ready to capture any suspicious activity. Both of these dash cams have their own unique strengths, whether it's the Vantrue N4's triple-channel setup or the BOOGIIO dash cam front's budget-friendly price. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K dash cam and the BOOGIIO dash cam front from all angles. Remember, it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we always have your back when it comes to making smart purchases. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.